One more hour till daily. So let's start with a look at the daily and what this candle is shaping up to look like. Not much of a reversal bar, more of a little pause bar. Bears would like to close this below 64,890. The lower the better, obviously, and set up a push down towards the low of this candle again to open up the next daily candle. Bulls would like to keep pushing as high as they can and then immediately break above 65,640 on the next candle and then keep the momentum pushing. If we get another candle that looks exactly like this, just like right here, slightly above, like if the bar looks like this, it closes, the high is up here and maybe the low is like just a little bit higher than this or something like that, and it ends up also being a doji that kind of closes like this, I would expect a dump bar on the subsequent bar and probably a dump bar to close through or to break through this low. So that's what we're looking at on a daily level. On the 4-hour level, just building another doji. On the 1-hour chart, it was kind of looking like we put in this go candle that we kind of called it, and this candle was really just so strong, pushing all the way back to origin basically. But then we had 2 consecutive bull trend bars defending this low. So this low has been pretty well defended, right? Certainly this low has been very well defended, but we defended this kind of trend line or like these levels, this buy zone. We defended it here, we defended it here, we defended it here, and we're theoretically starting to put in higher low, higher low, higher low. That could potentially take us higher, but like we saw on the 4-hour, it's just dojis and it's 2 sideways. Like there's no bullish momentum at all here. Here it's kind of starting to look like there's some sort of bullish momentum, but what are you supposed to do? Buy above this bar at the high of the trading range? It makes more sense to be already in from here with the stop a little bit lower. Or again, we can wait for some sort of resolution to this outside bar. Maybe look for like a little pop up that is shortable. But I think that right now it's just not a good time to be taking trades in here. It's just too barbed wiry. Just not what you want to see, not what you're looking for. But yeah, 15-minute time frame, it's looking like maybe it's picking up a little bit. Low, higher low, trend line getting broken. So now let's see if we can put in yet another higher low and then start pumping from here. Pumping from here towards maybe 66 region. But kind of double top, broke the double top, but it's almost kind of like just a hard resistance here that we're having trouble getting through. So basically that's the next thing that we're looking for is a reaction. We like to see a reaction by bulls to an attempt of breaking this low, ideally somewhere around here or something, make a higher low. And then we really would like to see bulls be able to push through above here. If we can get this higher low here and higher high here, I become a lot more bullish for a move to 66. Not necessarily all the way back up to mid 67s or even all-time high, but at the very least we're going to get a pop, I think, to 66 if we can hold a low and then break through this resistance. So that's what we're looking for right the frick now.